Hello, this is a short video. I noticed on YouTube there's a couple of videos. I'm not saying it's Stellar, the company itself, but there's people demonstrating how they fix half-gray images using Stellar Repair for Photo. I've tried this in the past, so I was surprised. I thought, okay, Stellar learned a new trick, so I downloaded the demo and decided to check it out for myself. So this is my file. It's half gray block. There. Because it takes, maybe it's my PC, I don't know, it takes ages to load, so I've loaded it and I decided to keep it loaded. But here we see this file, C test batch, and then that same file. So you can check I'm using not a different file to cheat, I'm using the same file. I'm going to tell it repair this. I've done the same thing. I will go back. Yes. I know the Wondershare has a bunch of articles, honeypots I call them, on their website, talking about half-gray images, and of course they try to plug their photo repair tool, Wondershare Repair It. Let's take a quick second to look at the Wondershare website. I made a claim they have pages about half-gray boxes, half-gray images, or black photos. Well, I'm not lying. How to fix half-gray or full gray or black photos easily. Of course, download, it will download their tool, repair it. Why are photos incompatible picture format? It's got nothing to do with that. It's got nothing to do with it. Interruption in the picture transfer process. This might be an explanation. This is a reasonable explanation. SD card corrupted. This is a reasonable explanation. Malicious attacks on image files. This is basically bullshit. I mean, he's probably referring to a virus or ransomware. And all the ransomware I know of does not result in a half-gray box. It just makes certain that you cannot open the image file or view the image file at all. Then he's going on to the fixes. Download the photos again. Yeah, duh. If this were an option, then you would do that. You're not going to repair a photo that you can download again. Retrieve photos from your backup. Yeah, duh. If you have a backup, you wouldn't be searching for a solution for half-gray images. Or use professional photo repair tool, Wondershare Repair It. And then they even tell you steps by step how to do it. This is their first solution that we'll see in this video will not work. It does not work. And then they come with their half-baked bullshit solutions, like repair a half-gray picture with the command prompt. But the command prompt is just a command prompt. It cannot fix anything. Check disk. This is what they mean. Fix it using check disk. And you run check disk via the command prompt. I mean, it's all baby level. Check disk /C. Well, everybody that knows anything about data recovery knows you're not going to run a check disk on a drive from which you lost data or on which you have corrupt data, at least not before you first create a sector by sector clone or image file of this drive. Anyone recommending you to run check disk is a clown. Really, it's a clown. repair the corrupt file with the hex editor tools. I mean, this is such bullshit. Yes, you can repair files with a hex editor, but the hex editor is not the main tool. It's not the important thing. The important thing is that you know what to do with the hex editor, that you know what a photo file is supposed to look like, so you can make modifications to make it look right, to detect stuff that's not right. This is such bullshit. This is just a waste of bandwidth. A bottom line, in this article we discussed several methods that would fix you a half-gray blah 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 blah. And well, this is why I call this a honeypot. There's not one bit of useful information in this article, and the only purpose is to get you to download their repair tool. And as we see, Repair It will not be able to fix the gray blocks. What it will be able to do is get a tiny little embedded preview JPEG. So what they gamble on, I think, is that you buy their crap product and that you're somehow satisfied with a little tiny preview, so it's better than nothing, and that you will not ask for a refund. And this is how they made their easy money, with a crap tool, with a crap article. So I did the same thing, C test patch, and that same file. I will first see if this finishes. So Wondershare on their website has a bunch of those honeypot articles where they, in the title it says half-gray box or half-gray file repair, half-gray photo repair. And then they have some blah 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 blah, run the system file checker, it's got nothing to do with it, run check disk. If you have any kind of situation where you lost data or where data is corrupt, you do not want to run check disk. Every one with a little sense or a little knowledge about data recovery knows this. So it's stupid and even dangerous advice. Okay, back to this. Repaired, I want to see this, half gray block, nothing changed. Repair It from Wondershare. But anyway, then they have an article about half gray box, half gray image. They feed you a bunch of bullshit solutions, and of course they mention their product. They at no point claim our product can fix this, but they show you a damaged picture and they show you a repair product. So it's obvious they want you to download it and preferably buy it. I don't know why they do it, because you will discover sooner or later, that they cannot repair the file. It's as simple as that. So the half-gray file, it says it found 2 JPEGs inside this file, which is the preview, and the actual file, large gray block, nothing changed. So then, can the file be repaired? Yes, the file can be repaired. Go away, go away, go away. I'm going to the same folder again. Test batch. This is just basically a bunch of files that I always use to test if I do updates or change stuff. Test batch, the file, repair. I'm going to see, it can be repaired. It cannot be done automatically, but it can be repaired. So I'm going to see if I can do this. quickly as possible. And we already see the gray box disappeared. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see it in the video, you can actually see silhouettes of stuff here. There is image data there. But this is corrupt data. It needs to go. So I'm using the byte editor because it's the quickest way to get rid of large patches of corrupt data. I'm not gonna make this 100% look nice. I just want to demonstrate you can actually get the stuff behind the gray block to show. Here it is. Something like this. I forgot something. I need to click here. We align it and then we tad brightness, I guess. A tad less red, I guess. Something like this. So the file can be repaired, but unlike some videos on YouTube suggest and some pages on the Stellar and the Wondershare website suggest, you cannot repair it with Stellar or Wondershare Repair It. I'm thinking, should I show another file? I've made my point. I've demonstrated that it's basically a bullshit claim of people on behalf of Stellar or Wondershare. Because I think that's what they are, shills. They're shills. Okay, this was my little rant.